Hello everyone, I'm Hoang, a man from an island in Vietnam. Today, I'm going to introduce you to the Asian stonefish, a rare, flat deep-sea fish that's hard to catch. I'll show you how I prepare and cook it, and enjoy it together with my friend Vietnamese Lang. I'm sure you won't find this kind of video anywhere else in the world, only on my channel, here. You'll discover many unique and unusual dishes, along with the special ways we eat them, to help you better understand Asian culture. I'm cooking this super rare fish with pepper, carrots, onions, chili, and Phu Quoc fish sauce, then serving it with white rice made from ST25, a premium Vietnamese rice variety. Please enjoy watching me cook this special dish. As a fisherman, I love cooking and eating right in nature, by the sea. Eating this way is delicious and healthy. It also helps me film amazing videos for you to watch. I'm sure you'll give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. That really motivates me and helps cover some costs, so I can make more videos for you, featuring exotic seafood you've probably never seen in your country. Please reward me with 1 like and 1 subscribe. Thank you for your generosity. This fish, when cooked and eaten by hand, tastes incredible, better than any other fish I've ever tried. It's packed with protein that's great for men's health, especially for keeping the body fit and strong. I'm 42 years old, and so is my friend Vietnamese Lang. But in my country, most people our age look much older than I do. I stay young because I eat a lot of natural, wild-caught fish. Today, my friend Vietnamese Lang and I are only having this one meal. We eat the whole fish and finished a pot of rice made from 1 kilogram of rice. After that, we'll head back out to catch more fish. And if we find another interesting one, I'll make another video to share with you. Looks delicious, right? If you ever come to Vietnam, feel free to contact us. I'll take you fishing and we'll enjoy a meal together. Please reward me with 1 subscribe, a like, and a comment on this video. Your support means a lot and helps me keep creating more amazing content for you. I love you all so much.
Balat.